And coming up next is something that I think is an absolute lifesaver, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. Robot vacuum cleaner capable of cleaning the floor and cleaning itself all on its own. Comes with a bunch of sensors that will help in navigating throughout a room and making sure each and every corner, middle, whatever you want it to clean is cleaned efficiently. Comes with this cliff sensor also to protect it from falling down the stairs, so it's not going to tumble down the staircase. Lasts for about 90 minutes on a single charge, which is I think pretty good. Cleans itself. This is the best part. It cleans itself through the dirt disposable dock that comes with it. So after it's kind of got full, it'll go and dump that dirt elsewhere. Does really work well. Does not require much maintenance due to the great self-cleaning function. It also comes with an app, so you can do a lot of things. But do remember, it doesn't do mapping. You can't have your whole house mapped. Those come in the more expensive iRobot Roombas. This one is priced at 59,900. Yeah. It's got a heavy sticker price.
All user inputs equals error. According to Elon Musk, a piece of tech is considered to be at its pinnacle when it does not require any input from the user to serve its purpose. A product that we feel is the closest to this ideal is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. It is a robot vacuum that cleans the entire room on its own and then empties itself on its own as well, along with a whole lot of other features. How well does it clean? How well does it work? How does it work without any input from the user? Let's find out. The box comes with a robot vacuum itself and a dirt disposal dock. So the i3 Plus looks pretty simple. A slim cylindrical design. The top has 3 buttons, a power button and a home button. The power button has a light around it. The entire body has a matte finish with an almost fabric-like finish near the edges on the top. The top has a sensor that can detect the dirt disposal dock, and the front of the dock has a light touch sensor which helps with the i3 Plus in detecting walls and furniture in front of it. While the top is smooth and simple, a lot of the magic of this robot vacuum lies underneath. The bottom has 2 long surface brushes and 1 edge sweeping brush, which help the vacuum in sucking up all the dirt. The 4 cliff sensors near the front prevent the sensor from falling off the stairs or the edge of a floor. There is also a floor sensor that enables the i3 Plus to clean the floor in neat rows along the floor. It's sensors galore down here. But still, as smart as the design is, there is a flaw. The i3 Plus may seem small, but it's still 3.63 inches high. That makes it a bit hard for it to pass through under low furniture. As for what it can do under the furniture it can pass under, the Roomba i3 Plus cleans up well. It is fast and efficient. It starts in the middle of the floor and then goes onto the edges. It can also very well detect the dirt underneath, and if a spot is particularly hard to clean, it goes over it more than enough times to make sure it's clean. It can go on to clean for 90 minutes on a single charge. If it is out of battery before the cleaning job is complete, the i3 Plus simply goes back to its dock to charge up again. And once it has enough battery, it continues from the same spot it left the job. Checking the battery level, setting up the i3 Plus scheduled cleaning jobs, everything can be done through the iRobot Home app available on all smartphones. After the cleaning is complete, the i3 Plus heads back to its dirt disposal dock to self-clean. The dirt disposal dock does well to take out all the dirt from the vacuum. All of the dirt that it collects gets transferred to a collection bag that comes pre-installed with the dock, along with an extra one in the box. It can hold 60 days worth of dirt, which can vary depending on how dirty the house is. Once it's filled, it can be taken out of the dock and replaced with a new one. The user can buy a pack of 3 for Rs 1660 from the iRobot site once they run out of the bags supplied in the box. And since the self-clean function works so well, the maintenance of the i3 Plus is pretty easy. As for everything the dirt disposal dock does, it is rather large. It stands 19 inches tall, hence it can't be simply hidden away in the room. But still, another thing that can't be hidden away is the fact that just how well the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus works, all on its own. It can perform its job without much input required by the user, as long as it does not get tangled in a wire or under a chair. and the self-cleaning and charging capabilities works like a charm. For a price of Rs 59,900, it is certainly not affordable, but it is well worth it for the people who need assistance in keeping their apartments clean, whether or not they have the time to do it.